right, that was our packet of orange Kool-Aid powder right into our 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. So what we're doing right now is we're just whisking this together right in the can. It's that easy. I know this might look a little weird right now, but trust me, you are going to be making this refreshing summer dessert all summer long. Look at that starting to come together. Ooh, look at that beautiful color. And you don't even need to use orange Kool-Aid for this. You can use your favorite flavor. You can use cherry, strawberry, blueberry, lime, grape. What other flavors are there? I don't even know, but I love a good orange. Let me know in the comments what flavor you would use. So once it starts getting real nice and orange, just like this, like a carrot, that is when you want to bring in your large bowl. It doesn't have to be large, but that's what I got. Ooh, and look, we're gonna just, whoa, look at that. And we'll get the rest of that out. There we go. Oh man, that orange flavor though. Oh, so I'm upgrading to a bigger whisk here. Look at how easy that comes together, you guys. This dessert is gonna be a no bake. It's gonna be really cool and creamy and refreshing. Perfect for summer barbecues, family reunions. You can bring this to church on a hot summer day. Whew, okay. Now, we have some Cool Whip. I love Cool Whip, but I don't love opening it because I can never get it open. There we go. And this is an 8-ounce container. Thank you. That we're gonna put right in there. Just plop the whole container of Cool Whip straight into your bowl. Okay, this is where we remove our whisk. Thank you for your time, but we don't need you anymore. Now, you guessed it, we're just gonna fold our orange Kool-Aid and sweetened condensed milk all together with this delicious Cool Whip. And if you don't like Cool Whip, you know, you can use homemade whipped cream. You wanna make sure that you are folding it softly. You don't want to mix it or else this mixture will deflate. It won't be as nice and fluffy. Almost finished. I don't want there to be that many streaks in there because I'm a perfectionist. Some of you probably would have already stopped by this point, but I'm not going to. Oh, and make sure that your Cool Whip is thawed out for this. You don't want it to be frozen for the mixing and folding. It will be clumpy and much harder to work with. All right, I think that looks awesome and I think it looks perfectly mixed, but this is totally optional. I'm adding some canned fruit. I'm adding some mandarin oranges to mine that I drained. I don't want to get too much of that liquid in there. Be careful. And I'm just gonna fold them in. Super easy, super quick. Oh, this is gonna be so awesome. And now, time for you to see here. We have a graham cracker pie crust that we're just going to put this mixture into. See how nice and fluffy that is? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so luscious and delectable, you guys. Don't want to waste any of it. There we go. Okay, I just dropped some on the floor. You probably heard that noise, but that's okay. The dogs will lick it up. Okay, try to spread it out nice and flat and even in here. Whew, that was it, guys. It was that easy. This is going in the freezer for at least 2 hours. All right, guys, our pie has been in the freezer for 3 hours, so it should cut perfectly. And now for the moment of truth. Ooh. Cut into that crust. Oh yeah, it smells so good, guys. Ooh. Look at our beautiful piece of orange Kool-Aid pie. Come on now. Come on now. We did it. We did it. Oh!